Well, good day everybody. I'm back home in the garage, as you can see. Had a great weekend out camping. It was a great time. Too bad the river was too high to prospect for some gold. Going on high ground, looking for gold that has been deposited over previous floods. Could be hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago. We don't know at this point. Prospected some, well, didn't prospect, looked at some other places to do some panning. Hoping to get back to original spot where we're supposed to go. Most likely not till late summer, just due to the amount of water flow that's going on there. Rivers need to drop, and I think everything will be looking good. Need to finish the sandblasting booth off so we can get those done and then those done. And then I can rip apart the Dana 30 axle while we're at it to replace those seals. Another thing along those lines is I ordered the timing kit for the Ford today. I'm not replacing the phasers. I ordered the lockout kit for it instead. I ordered timing chains, timing cover gasket set, and I ordered a Melling oil pump, high volume for high mileage vehicles. That should work good for me. We'll get that done after we do these few projects on the Jeep. All those parts should be here within a week, and then I shouldn't have to worry about that on my truck. I decided to bite the bullet. You know, old Yeller, been with me 7-ish years. We've been on many adventures together, many gold panning, backcountry camping adventures. Just can't give it up yet. We're still in the hunt for an all-wheel drive van, or even trying to find a 4x4 Camprise van. Those aren't looking good. Not finding anything, and anything I do find is a shit ton of money. You'd be surprised how many people see this hat in the video and they think that this is a Nazi symbol when it isn't. It's a hat that's made in Korea. You'd be surprised how many butthurt people there are in this world. Well, I've never used crushed glass as a material before, so I don't know how well it'll work. If it'll work good in this gun, I don't know. Some of those granulars seem pretty big. They'll probably fit through there. Start peeling these off and see what we can get ourselves up to. That one's already loose. I'm really curious to know how these parts are going to clean up in the sandblaster. They are heavily corroded. Look at these chips. These ones here will turn out good. These ones here are questionable. So I sandblasted for a while. I'm not too sure I'm liking the crushed glass. It seems to be taking its sweet ass time, and it's having a hard time trying to strip the paint away. As you can see, you can take the paint off. Now I'm down to the primer, and it seems to be struggling. I just changed it out to this finer stuff that I know works a lot better. We'll try it again tomorrow. Weekend is over. It's back to work tomorrow. 4-day work week though. It's not too bad. I'm hoping to get this stuff finished up this week. Depends on how much I spend on it. Would it be nice to rip apart the axles and get that all done too? I can start on the truck as soon as possible. Well, good day everybody. Welcome to another beautiful day. It was supposed to be the first day back after the long weekend. Something interesting happened when I pulled into the parking lot at work. No, I didn't realize that I won the lottery. That would have been nice. But I pulled up and everybody's standing around outside, and I'm like, So what happened? Was there a break-in? Is there emergency? Pulled up. Got told don't go inside. We think that there's a gas leak and everybody's staying out of the building. So a couple minutes later, the ATCO truck comes up. Guy puts on all of his gear, goes and checks it out, comes back. Said there's an underground gas leak somewhere. He doesn't know where. The fire department was called within like 10 minutes. About 7 trucks came. And we were basically told to go home for the day. For me, this actually works out really good because I always got something to do. And now, let's take that sandblaster outside and see what we can do with it. Well, I haven't been too impressed with the sand either. Sand worked excellent to my other gun, but seems to be struggling here. Lots of variables I need to figure out. For one thing, there is no valve to control the sandblast media from going in. Obviously, the more sand you have flowing through reduces the velocity, which affects its ability to blast away the rust in the paint. Am I using the right stuff for the job I'm using it for? Do I have the right air pressure? Lots of things to play around with and figure out. Obviously it didn't work magic like my first attempt. Live and learn. Just giving the air compressor a bit of a break. Been working it pretty hard. I don't know about you guys, but it's motherfucking beer time. A few hours has passed for me. Less than a few seconds has passed for you guys. Trying to clean these up was way more work than what they're worth. Anyways, let's take a break and have some Caribou beer. She is another hot day, that's for sure. And this cold beer sure goes down smooth. So I'm going to drink this beer. We're going to get the powder coating set up. We're going to powder coat those pieces and see how they turn out. I'm hoping when I get around to do the door handles that they will sandblast a lot easier. Any oil contaminants behind from my fingers. Misty Midnight. Those ones there looking actually pretty good. Powder coated these. They were heavily corroded, but in the end it didn't turn out too bad, I guess. Could have been worse. We'll see how long they last before the rust breaks through again. Good day, everybody. It's another scorching day outside. Let's get these last 2 pieces finished. We're going to try the Vegas lights out from Prismatic Coating for the light bar mounts or the light mounts, and we're going to see how it's going to turn out. This works out all right, my powder coating bin, because I just put everything back inside there. Alright, time to shut her down. I think it's motherfucking beer time now. Those parts are back on. Got rid of those lights, put some smaller ones on. Man, those turned out nice. Before we have motherfucking beer time, we got a very special package that came in. And since we were doing some powder coating, it only seems that this is the perfect video to put it in. This was sent to me by Vieira Concepts. You can follow him on Instagram. If you guys can see what's in the picture, you know what I'm getting at. Oh yeah, that is sweet. Oh yes. Holy shit, boys, shut her down. Look at that. It's motherfucking beer time. I love these. And a big beer drinking mug. It's even got my name on the back. Wow. That's super impressive. There you go. Even got a beer in it to try it out. I don't know what you guys think. Those are friggin' awesome. Let me get the other one. I think I may have to commission him to make me a bunch. These are sweet. Powder coated. Guaranteed to last. Anyways, motherfucking beer time. This is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Got some things done on the Jeep. Aubrey's bringing his truck over tomorrow. He's got a blend door issue. We're gonna troubleshoot, hopefully fix up that. And then my buddy's got some problems with his Blazer, some brakes. Then I'm gonna do the front axle seals on the Jeep. And then we're gonna tackle the timing job. Lots of stuff coming up. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.